Yeah, hello everybody. Sikoro Mobile here. So today I'm gonna teach you how to use lishi F038 to unlock the door lock on a Ford Windstar. Anywhere 2003, you can still find these locks on Ford Escapes. So let's go. So let's insert the lock. Put a little pressure, just a little, and go check the wafers. Three, nothing. Five, a little bit. Seven, we'll come back to two, four, nothing. Eight, go to five, go, go. That's it. Boom. Now this is how you unlock it. So now if you want to pick the lock, if you want to pick it, let's say this is number one. We'll go, you're gonna feel a little. So this is two. Number one is two. Number two is three. Number three is two. Number four is two. Number five is four. Number six is two. Number seven, the number seven is one, and number eight is two. So that's it. You know, that's how you unlock then read the wafers.